So I want to talk to you a little bit about a little trick or a tip that a lot of you guys are going to think that I'm just making stuff up or just full of shit on, but I want to talk about sharpening a wire brush. You know, I use a lot of wire brushes for cleaning parts before I weld them, and they're not very efficient at, when you're brushing to actually clean the material and get the oxidation layer off. So I'm going to show you how to sharpen a wire brush, and you can try it. It's kind of hard to show the improvement in a video after sharpening, but trust me, if you sharpen one the way I show you, you'll be able to feel and see the difference yourself. All right, so with your wire brush, when you get one, all the bristles are sticking straight out, which when you brush, it allows them to kind of rock, and it's not really digging in due to the fact that they're straight up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our belt grinder, and I'm going to use the bottom here, and we're going to kind of grind this direction on it, and that's essentially going to hook the bristles so they point forward. So on your forward stroke, they're going to dig into the material more, and it's going to scratch that oxidation layer off and make your wire brush more efficient. So I'm going to fire up the grinder, we'll do one, and hopefully this is a good tip for you guys, and hopefully you'll try it and just prove that I'm not full of shit and that you can actually sharpen your wire brush. And you can do this as many times as it needs until all the bristles are worn down. So again, I hope this is a good trick to help you guys be more efficient with your time and sharpen your wire brushes.